Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are at my house and my friend should be coming over any minute because he is in his new truck he just got. You should see what he did to it. He jacked it the heck out. But Dominic 3 is doing pretty good. But that one time when I got it stuck in the mud, it was kind of stupid. I mean, look at this thing so far. It has flaps in the ground. I mean, what the hell? But he should be coming soon. He said he's packing up his... Hang on. Okay, he had to pack up something. He should be coming right now. I'm still waiting on him. He takes a long time to get here. But as I'm explaining, is that we replaced the radiator, the whole engine, got a new diesel, and I fixed up this green truck right next to me. We replaced the battery, got some new diesel on it. He should be here any minute. He said he was on the dirt path, so he should be here any minute. Think I hear him. Oh, he's here. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, dude? What's up, man? How's your trip? Hi, I love it, man. It's brand new. I turn it off. I ain't wasting diesel. Not seeing the price of diesel? Yeah. So are we storm chasing today or not? Yeah. You want to drive? Because I ain't driving today. I'm too tired. I mean, yeah, sure. I gotta look at this thing in person. Stop banging in the middle. I like the look of it. You want to start it up? Sure, man. Give me the keys, dude. Oh, sorry. My bad. Thanks for the keys, bro. Here you go. You go start it up. Yeah, make sure the parking brake's on. The thing doesn't know how. Okay, she's on. Yeah, my stop! Put it in drive! I cannot stand you anymore driving the thing. Put it in park, bro. Okay, let's go. You ready? Buckle up! Okay, you be careful on my new trucks. What about mine, bro? They're just fine. God damn it. Stop putting in freaking reverse, you dummy. God damn it, bro. Get the hell out of the driver's seat. You're done. You're done driving this. You're gonna freaking damage my goddamn bumper. Get the frick out of the damn driver's seat, dummy. God damn it, you broke my reverse. God frick. Man, you're mean, bro. Let's go. You getting burgers? Okay, you and the burgers. Yes, let's go get some burgers. Okay. What burger do you want? You always want to buy stuff. You're paying this time. Damn, bro. Okay. Okay, we're here, bud. I'm joking. I'll pay for you, bro. Since you're the one that helped me build this thing. Nobody else can help. Okay, let's park to get some diesel. Because, guys, don't keep asking why I keep getting diesel. I'll explain that in another video. God damn it. Okay, you wait in the car. Okay. Let's go get some food now. He's got to come in and get his food. I don't know if he should be. Okay, hey, sir, my friend. God damn it. My friend's coming. Give him a minute. He has to get his credit card. Wouldn't that be nice if you paid? Shut up. And here he comes. He takes the line. The hell was that? Sorry, I tripped over a cone. Dude, you gotta be careful out there. Yeah, man, you gotta go put that back. Give me a goddamn cucumber. I'll take the. Okay, you do whatever you want. How's your cone? Oh my god. What the hell? Cheeseburger. 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 Okay, I'm gonna warm up in here. God damn it! Hurry up! I'm coming! Hang on, let me take a bite of my burger. Can't be here all day, though. Okay, let's go. Do a shortcut. Dude, please don't get us stuck in mud, bro. When was the last time you already got us stuck in mud, dude? We're in there. Yeah, I had to tow you out. Come on, diesel engine. I just replaced you. Literally had to tow you out because you literally stopped it. Okay, don't tip this thing over. You know how much money you spend on this thing. I want you to hold those boots. Don't wear these. Okay. I hate this shortcut. Okay. I might have to replace some parts after this. I told you, dude. Use the normal route, though. But I can't see, dude. No, you're not. Don't even think of. I am not going to the car wash today. You goddamn it, bro. Oh, looks like it's road trip to the freaking car wash. In the summer. Well, we replaced the engine, so the engine should be good. Near the turbo I added in. I gotta give the turbo a break. Thing air compress. Now we gotta go all the way back to the dealership to go get this thing washed. I wish you knew how to drive, buddy. No, you're washing it off. You're paying for it. Because I paid for the food. Yeah, that's right. Okay, go clean it off now. I want to see blood. 3 hours later. I'm joking, it's not 3 hours, it's 10 minutes. Okay, that should be good. How much was it? $39. God, jeez. Woo, I don't want to lose those mirrors. Woo, you did good, bro. the win so far? Want to do some revs? Woo! Put on fourth gear. God, yes. There's been no tornadoes for a long time, yeah. You know, we're just getting this thing prepared. Ah, dude, you know this thing was off-roading? No, you better not get out on us right now. Did you not? Don't. You know what? Let's put this thing in high gear, bro. No. Please, don't get us stuck, please. Oh my god, you dummy, bro. Who you calling a dummy now? Well, you're actually a dummy because we have to go replace the parts. Forget about that part. Okay, put it in drive. We have to replace the damn... We gotta replace the, what's the name called? I don't know, we have to replace the bottom part now. Back into the driveway. Shut up! Hit my truck. Don't hit your truck. Okay, it's time to put it in the shop, because you know what you did to it. Dude. I'm gonna rev it in here. No. Stop. Can you go turn the lights? Yeah. Ah! Okay, shut her off and let's go eat dinner. I mean, quote unquote, our food. Come on, bro. Hang on. I'm trying to fix it. Okay. Before we go out there and replace the side things, let's just eat because, you know.
Cheeseburgers. 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 Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
The worst part about it
Nom 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 nom.
is that we gotta replace the whole thing. We gotta wash it down. Woo! I have one more fire left. How was that, bro? Okay, I'm gonna go see if we have any of those parts. Okay. Holy crap! Oh no, shit. You damn, is this thing bad? Okay, let's just get working. Okay. Ting! Ting! Okay. It's so hot, bro. I'm gonna go home now. I'm going home, bro. It's just too hot, man. We finished it though, guys. Here he comes. He's backing up to frickin' rev it. Stop! Oh, you dummy. So go. You can go down. There goes the dummy. Oh, gee. Oh, my God. Okay, bye, dummy. Bye, dumber and stupid, bro. Okay, he's gone. Okay. That was a crazy day today, though. Oh, we forgot the... He's gonna come back in something to prove that he's tough. Okay, I'm gonna take a nap on the couch. Guys, my friend just texted me and he said he found this old barn tractor that he is bringing over. I thought he said he wanted to go home and sleep. Now he wants to come here with the damn tractor. Yeah, I can hear his engine, bro. Okay. I hope it's a good tractor. Let's go over there. I found this truck in our barn, but I didn't post about it because I was busy doing stuff. Oh my God, I want to see this guy so bad. Let's see what the hell he brought today. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Where did you get that thing up? You were calling stupid now, huh? You, like what you called me at that stop sign, huh? Okay, you're way too close to me. I bet I'm backing up for you. Dude, what are you doing, dude? Oh my God, be careful. You're gonna hit somebody someday. Yeah, keep yapping about it. Okay, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna swing it around, go in my barn. By the time you're done swinging it around, my barn's gonna be gone. Okay, you know what? I'm riding through your ditch. You're gonna bottom it out? Oh my God. Alright, go doing over there. Okay, guys, he just said frick the trailer because his friend took it. So we're gonna try getting this thing started. Okay, what are you in? I don't know. Try to start it. It starts good. And I gotta get the picture of the sunset. Woo! That's a nice picture. God damn it, just put it in. Woo! First try, baby. Forever. God damn, you're gonna... Yeah. She's running good. Check the headlights. Oh, they're working good. What about the other one? Oh my God, dude. You don't got any twin signals, though. Yeah, both of them are good. I'm gonna put this in the barn. Good find, dude. Where'd you buy it off of? You might get a little hangry, but I bought it. I'm joking. I just got it. A guy called me and said, "Would you like to buy this farm tractor?" And I said yes, so I bought it. So it's getting pretty late. I'm gonna probably head home. So okay, I'll see ya. I'm gonna head inside and go to bed. Bye, Dad. See you next week. All right, I'll see you next week too, bro. Bye, bro. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna head to bed now. I'm exhausted. Okay. I bet bro's gonna mess around with me and drive around the whole freaking house. Oh my god. I already hear his engine. Please don't. No. Oh, he used the shortcut. He doesn't even want to use those. Oh! Okay.